Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to submit a zero tax return online for your business. First, let's clarify what a zero tax return entails. It means your business had no income and no expenses during the entire reporting period. This is common for newly registered businesses or those that were dormant. We'll cover the general eligibility criteria and the steps to ensure you meet the requirements before proceeding with the online submission. It's a straightforward process once you understand the basics. Before you begin the online submission, it's crucial to have all your business details readily available. This includes your unique business registration number and your tax identification number. You will also need your login credentials for the official online tax portal. Double-check the exact tax period for which you are submitting the zero return to avoid any errors. Having these items prepared will make the online process much smoother and quicker, saving you valuable time. Now, let's walk through the online submission process itself. Begin by logging into your country's official tax portal using your credentials. Navigate to the section for business tax returns and select the appropriate filing option. You will then need to clearly indicate that your business had no income and no expenses for the period. Carefully review all the information you've entered, ensuring accuracy before clicking the Final Submit button. This step is critical to prevent any potential issues. After successfully submitting your zero tax return, you will receive a confirmation. It is absolutely essential to download and save this official confirmation receipt immediately. This document serves as proof of your submission. Additionally, keep a copy of the actual submitted return for your records. Tax authorities typically require businesses to retain these documents for a period of at least 5 to 7 years. Proper record keeping protects your business in case of future inquiries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.